So you see, if you don't know your value, you will settle for anything. You have to know your value as a person. It no matter where next man think about you, that doesn't matter. When you think about yourself and think about where your value, that's how you think. You have yourself, Vybez Kartel.
I rate what I do right now because Kartel hot. I hear what I say. I rate what I do. Kartel right now hot. You see me? And it dep on the scene. So I like how I make use of it because at the same time, dog, 10 years down the road, somebody else is going to come up in the spotlight. Take all the use of it, and that's what he's doing. Kartel's smart, as I tell you from day one. He's a smart man. So he might invest. I'm not about to go this. Dog, you may say that.
The sheep migrate.
No. Because, dog, I always just be real and give the credit where it due. As much as how I don't rate him, they still have to give the credit. So I just tell you that. Him smart, he might do it thing, you see me? And he might invest in money, he might do all these things, and he might create the wealth because him not always going to be on top. If you check it out, look at the histories of artists. You're going to have a time when they might boom. 50 Cent was hot. Right now, you don't even hear 50 Cent that drop a song. Rick Ross was hot in hip-hop world, me I talk about. Those people were big in hip-hop world, but at the same time, they know them not go hot forever. So they make use of them limelight and the time.
And invest their money wisely.
That is what Kartel is doing.